Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can redeem PayPal gift card. Well, it's quite easy, so let's dive right into it. First of all, you need to open your PayPal and make sure that you're logged into your account just like this. And after making sure that you're logged in, what you're going to do is tap on this menu bar that you can see right here. And after doing that, tap on your wallet. So after doing that, here you can get the option of cards, and under the cards there will be all of your cards that you have added to your PayPal. Currently, I haven't added any, so in here you can also get the option of add new. Simply tap on add new, and then there will be the option of banks or debit and credit cards. You need to tap on debit and credit cards, and then here you'll get two different options. You can either simply scan your PayPal gift card, or you'll have to enter your card information. So if I simply tap on enter your card info just like this, again your password will be required, so simply add down the password of your PayPal account. And after doing that, here you can see now the option of adding down your card number, your expiration date, and CVV will be opened. So in your PayPal gift account, there will be your card number, your expiration date, and the CVV. All you need to do is simply write that down and tap on link card. And just like that, all of the amount of money that is on your gift card will be transferred to your PayPal account. And like that, you'll be able to redeem PayPal gift card. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.